Every successful video starts with a vision. Our company, Elevated Look, guides you through the process of turning your visualization into a reality. Whether it is sitting down together in person, over the phone, or in a Zoom meeting, we examine what you are trying to achieve and how we will be able to accomplish your goal. In pre-production, we can take care of scripting, casting, storyboarding, and planning the video shoot. In production, we can have our crew handle all video shooting and audio recording, as well as any needed photography. In post-production, we edit, sound mix, color correct, and deliver the final product for you to review. Finally, we can purpose your video through marketing and advertising, building awareness, consideration, sales, and managing customer relationships. Let us elevate your business, brand, product, or event. Make an appointment today at www.elevatedlook.com or call for a free consultation at 310-730-8660.